So in this chapter we learn how to represent a rational number in number line. So this is your number line, and in number line 0 is at middle, and this side always positive integers are there, and this side always negative integers are there. So today we will discuss how to place different rational numbers in number line. So here one question is there: represent -1/2 and 1/2 in number line. 1/2 means half. It is a proper fraction. It is also a proper fraction. Don't see the sign. If it is a proper fraction, listen carefully. If fraction is proper, if rational number is proper fraction, okay, then it will lie between 0 to 1. If the rational number is positive, half is positive, so it always lie between 0 to 1. Similarly, minus half is negative, as it is a proper fraction and it is negative sign, so it will be in between -1 to 0 to -1. It will lie in between, it will remain in between 0 to -1. So what to do? Half. So how to do? Now I am describing. I am placing half. Half means, see that denominator half, 2 is there. That means half, it is a proper fraction, then it will remain 0 to -1 as negative sign is there. As the denominator 2 is there, so that I will divide this 0 to 1 distance into 2 equal parts like this. 1/2, this is, so 2 equal halves it is divided. This first half is -1/2. Similarly 1/2, it is a positive rational number, so, and it is proper positive rational number, so it is in between 0 to 1. As in the denominator half is there, 2 is there, so I will divide this part into 2 equal halves like this, 1, 2. So see, 2 equal part divided, and the first, this one, this is the first demarcation, shows your 1/2, shows your 1/2. Similarly another question we will do, 2/3 minus 2/3. See, 2/3 is also a proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Numerator is less than the denominator. This is the proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. As it is a proper fraction, as it is positive, it remains between 0 to 1. Similarly, as it is negative and it is also proper, so it remains between 0 to -1. 0 और -1 के बीच में रहेगा, ये 0 1 के बीच में रहेगा. So this is your number line. As in the denominator 3 is there, so this 0 to 1 distance is divided into 3 equal parts like this. So 1, 2. So this is 1/3. This first part is your 1/3, my friends. This is 2/3. This 1 is nothing but 3/3. Okay, so this is 0/3. 0/3 equal to 0. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, it's 1. Okay, so this part is your 2/3. Similarly, -2/3 will remain in between 0 to -1. This part is your -1/3. This is your -2/3, and this is nothing but your -3/3, which is equal to -1. Very easy. Now we will see if the fraction is improper. Improper means if the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here 13 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. If improper fraction is there, so first make into mixed fraction. So what is the 13/5 mixed fraction? If I convert to mixed fraction, this is 2 whole 3/5. You can see here 2 whole 3/5. 2 whole 3/5 means after 2, 3/5 part is remaining. So I can write 2 plus 3/2. 3/5 means the value will remain in between 2 to 3. First convert into improper fraction. We have converted. Then write like this, 2 plus 3/5. That means 2 part completed. After that 3/5 part remaining. So this 13/5 will remain in between 2 and 3. This is the motto. The 13/5 will remain in between 2 and 3. Now I'll draw. Similarly, -13/5 will remain in between -2, because its value is -2 whole 3/5. So the value remain between -2 and -3. It is very easy, my friends. Now we'll see. So see the number line. This is your number line, my friends. So -2/3. First you see 2/3. In 2/3, I'm zooming the value. Now see. In 2/3, this is a 2/3. Okay, in 2/3 13 by 5. Answer is 30 by 5. See the always I told, see the denominator. Here 5 is there. So we have to divide this 2 to 3 distance. Means 2 unit to 3 unit. We will divide into 5 equal parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 5. One part. This is the first equal part. Okay. The second equal part, third equal part, fourth equal part, and fifth equal part. So 13 by 5. So 13 by 5 will remain here. Because what is the result? 2 whole 3 by 5. Answer is a 2 whole 3 by 5. See the 3 by 5. This is 2 whole 1 by 5. This is nothing but your 2 whole 1 by 5. This is nothing but your 2 whole 2 by 5. And this is nothing but your 13 by 5, or you can write 2 whole 3 by 5. Okay, very easy my friends. This is 2 whole 2 by 5. Similarly, we will see minus 2 by 3. It will remain in between minus 2 to minus 3. Similarly, we will divide it into, this is minus 2 whole 3 by 5. So this is minus 2 1 by 5. This is minus 2 minus 2 2 by 5, and this is nothing but minus 2 3 by 5, which is your 13 by minus 13 by 5. This is nothing but minus 13 by 5. Here written 13 by 5. This is not 13 by, this is minus 13 by 5. Printing mistake in the book. So it is very easy my friends. You try in home. So come to the exercise. Represent is the following in number line. You can do now. Represent this one in number line. Very easy. Now true and false. Okay.